At Boolavogue, as the sun was setting o'er the bright meadows of Shelmalier, a rebel hand set the heather blazing, and brought the neighbours from far and near. Then Father Murphy from old Kilcormac spurred up the rocks with a warning cry. "Arm, arm," he cried, "for I've come to lead you for Ireland's freedom. We'll fight or die." We took Comolin and Enniscorthy, and Wexford storming drove out our foes. 'Twas at Slieve Calte our pikes were reeking with the crimson blood of the beaten yos. At Taberneering and Ballyellis, full many's the Hessian lay in his gore. But Father Murphy had he'd come over, and the green flag floated from shore to shore. On Vinegar Hill o'er the pleasant Slaney, our heroes vainly stood back to back, while the O's at Tullow took Father Murphy and burned his body upon the rack. God grant you glory, brave Father Murphy, and open heaven to all your men. May the cause that called you